Okay, class, today you are learning about absolute value function of transformation. So in the first one, I already grabbed it for you. F of x equals absolute value of x, which is a parent function. So now let's look at the second function. If we add 2, what happened to the graph? So you can see the blue graph here is that we call that vertical translation. Let's translate 2 units up. So you will need to write in your paper. I'm just showing you the graph and use decimal calculator. And what if we change it to negative? What will happen? So I'm just going to copy this one. Doesn't let me do it. Okay, I'm just going to undo. Okay, so what if I said plus 2 is shipping 2 units out, right? How about minus 5? So we do minus 5, then will be what? So the translation of 5 units down. So I hope we write it down, okay? So now the next one is, what about if we have f of x equals negative of absolute value x? What will happen? Do you see here? It's like a refraction, right? So we call that vertical refraction. So how do you remember that? So now next one, I'm gonna show you on this way up. So what if we added 1 divided by 2? So think about this. So I'm gonna turn this off, so too many graphs. Okay, so if we had this one, have we're just gonna do this. Oh, not a, it should be x. So what do you think? The graph is wider, right? So we call that we don't need a slider. So delete this one. So we say if that value which I should put this as a. If the value is greater than 1, we call it vertical stretch. But it is between 0 and 1. So this one is between 0 and 1. So it's not x value, but a value. Is between 0 and 1. We call it vertical shrink. So I'm changing it to SHRINK. So for this situation, half, see how it looks like wider, right? But actually it shrink. And then, so then what about if we change it to 3? What happens? So we change it to 3. Now it become narrow, right? So we call it vertical stretch, because when you stretch, it become taller, shorter. So stretch is skinnier. Where it shrink is making it so it's like squeeze it down so it become wider. So I hope that makes sense to you. And then, so the next one we're gonna look at it is, I'm gonna delete this one. So I'm gonna do another one is, how about if the value changes inside, what does it do? So it's x minus 4. Oh, I didn't put an equal sign. So you see how this? So it's moving, it's sort of opposite, right? When you do minus, it's moving to the right. When you do plus, it's moving to the, so we call that as The word is called horizontal. HORIZONTAL translation. And just remember the value is opposite. So if you have a minus sign, it is moving to the right. And if we, so now let me change this to, if we have a plus sign, see, it moves to the left. And so that's all the transformation. So make sure you write down all the description here that I have shared with you on the video here. Okay.